Welcome to Tech in 2, Innovations in Science, your weekly dive into the breakthroughs shaping our future. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. Today, we have a headline that sounds like it was ripped straight from a sci-fi thriller. Scientists have created the world's first AI-designed viruses.
It's an incredible story. But, before anyone imagines a digital plague,
Right.
we need to be very clear. These aren't viruses to fear. In fact, they might just be a powerful new weapon in our fight against, one of the biggest threats to public health, antibiotic-resistant bacteria.
Exactly. So let's break this down. In a groundbreaking new study, scientists used AI to design and build complete functional viral genomes from the ground up. Now, these viruses are a special type called bacteriophages, or phages for short. Think of them as nature's own highly specialized assassins that only hunt and kill bacteria.
That's a great way to put it. So for this study, the target was the notorious bacteria Escherichia coli, or E. coli, specifically the strains that have become resistant to our best antibiotics. The AI models named EVO1 and EVO2 were trained on millions of existing phage genomes, essentially learning the language of viral genetics.
And this is the part that's truly a first. As computational biologist Brian High from Stanford University put it, this is the first time AI systems are able to write coherent genome-scale sequences. It's not just editing a gene here or there.
Wow.
The AI composed an entire genetic instruction manual for a virus that had never existed before.
Now, the researchers, they're careful to manage expectations. They emphasize this is not AI-generated life in the way we might think.
Right.
I mean, designing a complex multicellular organism is still a vastly distant prospect, but creating a functional virus, the AI has just proven it can do it.
And it did it well. The team guided the AI to generate thousands of potential virus sequences. From that pool, they identified 302 that seemed viable, and then they took it to the lab. They successfully synthesized 16 of these AI-designed phages and confirmed they could infect and kill the target E. coli.
Here's what I found most impressive, though. They took it a step further. They created these cocktails of AI-designed phages and unleashed them on 3 different strains of E. coli that the original natural virus couldn't even touch. The AI-designed phages succeeded where the natural one failed. That is a huge proof of concept.
It really is. But Alex, we have to talk about the ethics. The phrase AI designing viruses naturally raises concerns about the dual use dilemma. The idea that this tech could be used for harm.
Absolutely. And what's so commendable here is how the researchers address this head on.
How so?
Well, they built biosafety directly into their process. First, they deliberately excluded any viruses known to affect eukaryotes, that's animals and humans, from the AI's training data. The AI literally never learned how to build a virus that could harm us.
Right. And they used a non-pathogenic virus and host system, Phi-174 and standard lab E. coli, which have a decades-long safety record in research. It's a masterclass in responsible innovation. This isn't just about what they can do, but what they should do.
It really sets a precedent. As biophysicist Kirsten Gottfried enthusiastically put it, I think this will definitely be a growing field, and I'm super excited about it. The potential for AI to help us solve these massive challenges like SuperBugs is just immense.
Yeah.
And this study is a phenomenal first step.
We'll be watching this space very closely. That's all for this edition of Tech in 2, Innovations in Science.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. As AI becomes a creative partner in biology, what ethical guardrails do you think are most important to ensure these powerful tools are always used for good? Join us next time for more exciting discoveries.